Today I'm going to show you how we can recover Microsoft 365 data using the IronTree version 2 platform. The first thing we want to do is navigate to the URL loveyourdata.za.irontree.cloud and then enter the credentials for your client's backup account. We want to select the cyber protection service. This will take us to the client's backup console. And the first screen that we're going to see is a dashboard, which is simply an overview of their protection status. In order to recover Microsoft 365 data, we want to navigate to Devices on the left-hand side and then to Microsoft Office 365. At this point, we'll be presented with all of their workloads in the Microsoft Office 365 cloud. And in order to recover a mailbox, we want to navigate to Users or Users, and then find the email account that we want to recover data for. Once I've located it, I can select it and then click on Recovery. I can then choose my recovery point. Once I've located the recovery point, I want to click on Recover. Then I get an option to recover the entire mailbox or simple email message alone. If I click on Email Message, it's going to then prepare the mailbox contents. It's going to display a list of all of the emails and folders that this account has. Once I've located the data that I want to recover, I can select it. And then on the right hand side here, I've got an option to show content, which will show me what was included in this email. And I can browse the email here. Another option is to send as email. So this will allow me to actually send this email to a recipient through the IronTree version 2 platform. If I simply just wanted to recover this email back to the email account, I can click on Recover. I can either choose original location or custom location. It's going to give me a / recovered items as a default custom location. Then I can click on Start Recovery. I do not want to overwrite any existing items, and then click on Proceed. We can then monitor the recovery in the Activity Details window. Once the recovery is complete, we'll get a status succeeded and the duration for recovering that email account.